So we have been studying about fund flow statement, and in this we have already started this funds flow statement. I have just explained you about the introduction. Not only that, what we have done is we have tried to understand how to prepare the funds flow statement. So this is the funds flow statement. What you have to do to achieve this funds flow statement is, firstly, we have to prepare the statement of changes in working capital, then preparation of fixed assets account, then funds from operations. Lastly, we'll be going for funds flow statement. Okay. So earlier to this, I have explained you about these things, that is sources of funds and applications of funds. Sources of funds, these are the transactions which result in an increase in the amount of funds or working capital are called sources of funds. What are these sources ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತದ? Funds from operations, operating profit or trading profit, non-operating incomes, a refund of income tax received, issue of shares for cash or for any other current asset, issue of debentures for cash or for any other current asset, long-term and medium-term loans borrowed, long-term and medium-term deposits accepted, sale of long-term investments for cash or for any other current asset, and sale of fixed assets for cash or for any other current asset. This had just told you these are the sources. Similarly, we studied about application also. Application ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಫಂಡ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, where we have used our fund. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು exactly losses ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ, you have used it over there. So in this we have funds lost in operations, that is operating loss or trading loss. Non-operating expenses ಅಲ್ಲಿ income ಅದ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ expenses. Redemption of redeemable preference shares, there you have issue of shares. Then redemption of debentures for cash or for any other current asset, there it is issue of debentures. Then redemption of long-term and medium-term loans, redemption of long-term or medium-term deposits, purchase of long-term investments, purchase of fixed assets, drawings, and there you have a sale of fixed assets. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. Sources of fund and application of fund. Okay, just a moment. So as I've told you, application and sources, ಇಷ್ಟು ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋರಿ. sources ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರ್ಲಿಕತ್ತದ, application where you are using it. Okay, so we will see the format. This is the funds flow statement format. You have to take it down. Okay, as you all are seeing over here, this is the funds flow statement format. Firstly, you have sources of fund. Two amount columns will be taking over here. Funds from operations, as I told you, operating profit, trading profit will be coming over here. Non-operating income such as dividend and income tax, all these things will be taking here. And issue of shares for cash, issue of debentures for cash or any other current asset, long-term and medium-term loans borrowed, long-term and medium-term deposits accepted, sale of long-term investments for cash or for any other current asset, sale of fixed assets for cash or for any other current asset, and you see here last important part, decrease in working capital as per statement of schedule of changes in working capital. All of you remember the calculation of schedule of changes of working capital, no? So here, if there is a decrease, you have to take it here. This is only a one part of sources funds flow statement. This should be continuous, no 2 pages. In 1 page only you'll be doing this. Here below that, as I don't have space over there, I have taken it here, that is applications of fund, I have taken it here. Okay, same as I've told you above regarding application of funds. There you have in sources, funds from operations. Here, if at all you have loss. The other day somebody asked me, if there is a loss, what you should do? Funds lost in operations will be taking over here. That's application of funds. Non-operating expenses such as dividend paid, income tax paid, fines paid, etc. Redemption of redeemable preference shares for cash or for any other current asset. Redemption of debentures for cash or for any other current asset. Redemption of long-term and medium-term loans in cash or any other current asset. Redemption of long-term or medium-term deposits in cash or in any other current asset. Purchase of long-term investments for cash or for any other current asset. Purchase of fixed assets for cash or for any other current asset. Drawings. And increase in working capital as per statement of schedule of changes in working capital. If it is increase, you are taking here. Okay, remember that here you are taking increase where in application of funds, but if it is decrease, you are taking it here in sources of funds. Okay, as in when you go on practicing the problems, it will be very clear, there won't be any problem. So by hearting is not necessary, just you have to understand. Okay, so we'll do one problem so that you understand it very clearly. What it is, you will understand very clearly. Now, one more thing what I have to say is application of funds. So what you are seeing here, okay, here it is. This amount should tally with this amount. Then only your problem is correct. Otherwise, it's wrong. Okay, it should be tallied. These are certain things. As and when we come for problems, you will understand. You see the certain important items I have taken up here. Provision for taxation. It will appear in statement of changes of working capital. No further treatment in fund flow statement is required. Remember this. If you take in statement of changes, don't take it anywhere. Proposed dividend, it will, if it appears in statement of changes in working capital, no further treatment in fund flow statement. Nen Pitkori. Statement working capital changes ಒಳಗೆ ನೀವು ಇವೆರಡು ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ತಗೋತೀರಿ, ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟದ. ಈಗ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್, ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ದೇರ್. ಏನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳಿಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಲಿ? ಫಂಡ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಂಟ್ರಿಮ್ ಡಿವಿಡೆಂಡ್. It adds back to profit in funds from operations. Okay, funds from operations nag tagotiri. It appears on application side of fund flow statement. This I will tell you very clearly. As and when we go on doing problems, we get all various items. Okay, so this is illustration I have taken. You have to write it down. You see illustration 15. If you have book, this is illustration 15. You have to check the page number. It's illustration 15. The following are the statement of assets and liabilities of a concern as on 31/12/2017 and 18. Prepare statement of schedule of changes in working capital. Statement of assets and liabilities, as usual, I have drawn a table over here with 5 columns. First one is particulars, 31/12/2017 divided into 2 columns. 31/12/2018 again divided into 2 columns. Firstly, you have equity and liabilities in the shareholders funds. Share capital 1 lakh, 1,20,000. Reserves and surplus 13,500, 41,700. Total is 1,13,500, 1 lakh. Sorry, one more, 2 more zeros are added over here. I'll remove it. Don't take these. Okay. Next, non-current liabilities, long-term borrowings 26,000. Then current liabilities, trade payable 33,500, 36,400. Short-term provisions 19,800, 53,300. The total of these two. Then 22,900. The total of these two is 59,300. So 1,66,800 and 2,47,000. Assets you have, non-current assets, in that fixed assets, tangible assets 93,400, 1,67,000. And in current assets, we have inventories 36,500, 38,000. Trade receivable 32,100 and 38,000. Cash and cash equivalent 4,800, 4,000. The total of this is 73,400 and 80,000. Next, depreciation written off during the year on machinery is 12,000 and furniture is 4,000. Take this down. All of you are writing it. We will continue with this notes to accounts, and in this problem understanding notes to accounts is very, very important. Okay, equity shares is there, then you have a share premium. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಲಕ್ಷ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕೇಳ್ರಿ. Equity shares, both are like, in both the cases it is 10 rupees each. Here you have 1 lakh, here you have 1,20,000. What does it mean? Whether it is issue of share? Is it issue of share? Somebody, you can answer, unmute yourself and you can answer. It is issue of share. ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗ್ಯದಲ್ಲ, ಹೆಚ್ಚಾದ್ರೆ it's a issue of share. The share premium you are giving 10,000 is the share premium. General reserve 6,000, 11,000 ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗ್ಯದ. Here only you go on marking whether it is increased or decreased so that you will understand what you have to do. Profit and loss account 7,500 and 20,700. Idu el tagotiri? Changes in working capital. First closing balance, later on opening balance. Clear? Next, long-term borrowings, debentures, enu illa 26,000. That means what? You have issued certain debentures. Okay, issue of shares is there, share premium is there, and debentures is there. Excuse me, here you don't have anything, here you have, that means you have issued. So I will repeat this once again. Equity shares issue again. Okay, this we call it as issue ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿದಲ್ಲ. So this is your issue. Where you will take this issue? The issue means sources of fund. ದುಡ್ಡು ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿದಲ್ಲ, 20,000 is increased, that is issue. Share premium, you have received it, that is 10,000. This should be taken in sources of fund. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ sources of fund ಒಳಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. General reserve, this you will take in funds from operations. You ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ, funds from operations ಒಳಗೆ ತಗೋತೀರಿ. ಎದಕ್ಕ? It has increased. General reserve, you have transferred the amount to general reserve, that is sources of fund. It will go to funds from operations. Okay, this will go to funds from operations. Profit and loss account, this where you will take in funds from operations, opening balance. First closing balance ತಗೋತೀರಿ, ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ opening, last opening balance deduct ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. Next, debentures ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ, 0 to 26,000. that means it is issue. Issue ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೋತೀರಿ? Issue is always sources of funds. You will take in funds flow statement, it is a issue. So ಅಲ್ಲಿ sources ಅಂತ ತಗೋತೀರಿ. ಇದೇ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಈ ಸೈಡ್ 26,000 ಇತ್ತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಡಂಪ್ಷನ್. ಅವಾಗ ನೀವು ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಂಡ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ತಗೋತೀರಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಪೇಯಬಲ್, ಸನ್ರಿ, ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟರ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. This directly you will take in working capital. Short term provisions you have, you see, provision of tax and provision of dividend. ಈಗ as per what you have been habitual, statement of schedule of changes in working capital ಅಲ್ಲೇ ತಗೋತೀರಿ. ಇವೆರಡು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಹ್ಯಾಬಿಟ್ ಅದಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲೇ ತಗೋರಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮುಗೀತು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಏನು ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, so this is liability side. We'll go for asset side. We have tangible assets. You see, land and building. You see, these three are very important. edaka in previous classes you have studied about calculation of fixed assets. Very, very important. Idu ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. Land and building 55,400 ಇಂದ 1 lakh ಆಗಿದೆ. You have purchased. But what you should do, you have to go for calculation. Other depreciation kottare nodri, written down value madbeku. Later on you will understand whether it is purchased or sold. Machinery 35,600 in the 51,000 it has increased, it might be purchased. Then furniture also 2,400 to 2,500, 100 increase agade. Calculation is very important. Purchase or sale or depreciation also is applicable. Then you have stock, idu working capital nang tagotiri. Sundry debtors, working capital, cash will be working capital. Okay, so this is the problem statement. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. This is statements of assets and liabilities, and here you have notes to your accounts. Understanding problem is very 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 important. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನೋಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಇರ್ತದ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಟಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋರಿ, ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದ, ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗ್ಯದ, ಎದಕ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗ್ಯದ, ಅದು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋರಿ. ಯಾವ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಯಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ನೆಸೆಸಿಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಂಡ್, ಅದು ಯಾವ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲೇ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಿ, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಫಂಡ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಇಕ್ವಿಟಿ, ರಿಸರ್ವ್ಸ್, your investments, capital part is all for funds flow statement. Okay, but idralli profit and loss ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, funds from operations ನ ತಗೋತೀರಿ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು current liabilities ಬರ್ತೀರಿ, that is working capital, schedule of changes of working capital. Similarly here tangible assets ಒಳಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, fixed assets calculate ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, create its account, calculate it. Then as you know, all the current assets will come in working capital. Okay, so we'll start the solution. So in the solution, first what you should do, as you all know, we have to go for statement of schedule of changes in working capital. Okay, so draw the lines. As I told you, you need 5 columns over here. Hope all of you recollect the problems what you have done on statement of schedule of changes in working capital. Increase in working capital, decrease in working capital, nenpadala. I will remove here video of. Okay, so these are the 5 columns what you have. Next, what you will do here, I don't have these lines, so I have drawn this, not necessary. Firstly, we are going for current assets. So what you have, inventories 36,500. You can check your problems. Then 38,000. Okay, what has happened, this has increased. So increase in current asset will be increase in working capital. Hope all of you remember this, don't forget. Then trade receivables, ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, 32,100, 38,000. You see again increase in current asset is equal to increase in working capital. Next, cash and cash equivalents. What has happened here, it has reduced, that is decreased. So I am taking it in decrease in working capital. Okay, next, total current assets, that is A part. We are saying this is the total of current assets both the year. Next, we'll go for current liabilities. Sundry creditors, you have 33,500 and 36,400. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ, increase in current liabilities leads to what, all of you can say there, it is decrease in working capital. Increase in current liabilities leads to decrease in working capital. Provision for taxation, you see I'm taking it here only. What has happened, increase, that leads to decrease in working capital. Proposed dividend, again there is an increase by 2,000. Illi increase adre illi decrease agutte. Okay, so total current liabilities, that is B part, this is it. All of you are clear here. Next, what we will do, we will find out the totals of these two. This column I have added these two, and I have added all these things. Okay, next, working capital, that is A minus B. This 73,400 minus 53,300. How much it is? 20,100. Here what happens, 80,000 minus 59,300, you will get 20,700. All of you are clear with the totals? Okay, next. Increase or decrease in working capital, that we have to check here. So for that, what I will do, I have taken 20,700 here. 20,700, it is 600. There is a deficiency of 600 here. That means there is an increase in working capital. Now you see here, out of these two, which is a maximum total 7,400. Adanna nanu illi tagondini. Same thing, I'll write it here. Now difference, what I will do, I'll write it here. What is that difference? 600. So now there is an increase in working capital by rupees 600. Okay, understood all of you? So now what we will do, we will find out funds from operations. Either you can calculate fixed assets first or funds from operation, any of these things. So I'm drawing a table over here as it's a plain screen. So in this table, first I'm writing here particulars, amount and amount. Okay. Now next, profit as per profit and loss account, closing balance 2018 ಒಳಗೆ ಏನದ ಅದು ತಗೋರಿ. So that is 20,700. It's a profit. Next, add non-cash or non-operating expenses. So firstly, what I have taken, transfer to any reserves, that is increase in general reserve. 6,000 in the 11,000, I guess there is an increase of 5,000 that I have to take. We have to add it back. What else you have then? Matin other transactions. You see at the end of your problem, first assets and statement of assets and liabilities ಒಳಗೆ adjustment ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರೆ. Check what is it. It says depreciation written off during the year on machinery is 12,000 and on furniture is 4,000. ಇವೆರಡು ನೀವು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೇಬೇಕು. Depreciation you are taking here. Okay. So what I did is we have taken depreciations, add all these three things. This is 17,400 I have written here. 20,700 plus this is we are adding. So how much you will get? 31,800. Next, what you will do? Less non-cash or non-operating incomes. Okay. Do you have any non-operating incomes? No. Directly I am taking profit and loss, opening balance. Opening balance is 7,500. Okay. So idinna en martiri? You deduct it, reduce madri. So what you will get? Net funds from operations, that is 30,600. This is the net funds from operations. Funds from antandre idu ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. This is not lost. You have got funds from operations. ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸಿಂಬಾಲ್ ಬಂತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ then it will be funds lost. Okay. So this is funds from operations. Understood this part? Okay. So first we have done statement of changes in working capital. Second is we have done funds from operations. Now what we will do, we will calculate fixed assets account. Any changes in this we will have to calculate. So I've just taken out these two things here. The fixed assets I have taken here. Land and building, this is as per your problem. It is 55,700. I'm very sorry. This is 2017 and 2018. Okay. So land and buildings 55,400 and 1,13,200. ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. Machinery 35,600 and here it is 51,300. Furniture 2,400 and 2,500. Next, depreciation is rupees 12,000 on machinery and 4,000 on furniture. This is given in the problem. ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ಯಾವ ತರ account create ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? First I'll go for land and buildings. Opening balance ಎಷ್ಟದ? 55,400. Okay. Any depreciation? Depreciation ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಅದನ್ನ, nothing is given for depreciation. So what I will do? Directly I will reduce it from closing balance. 1,13,200 ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ?
Ma'am, building my depreciation ಅದಲ್ರಿ ma'am?
Building land and building ಎಲ್ಲದರಿ depreciation ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತದ? Problem nang nodri, this is a depreciation on machinery. This is a depreciation on furniture. Land and building illada? Check madri. Problem nang check madri. Do you have any depreciation? Illala? Basama? Yes, shall I continue now? So machinery account. Opening value is 35,600. Now, do you have depreciation on this? You have depreciation here, 12,000 on machinery. Adala. So now I am taking depreciation. That is 12,000. Then in material, you will reduce it. We call it as written down value, 23,600. Idhike madri, closing value reduce madri. What is closing value? 51,300. What you will get? Okay, it's again in minus symbol. The closing value is more. So that means 27,700 is the purchase of machinery. Next, I'll go for furniture account. We have opening balance 2,400. Illi depreciation of the 400. Depreciation is given here. This is 400. Okay. So written down value is 2,000. Less closing value of fixed asset, that is 2,500, and purchase of machinery is what? Oh, sorry. I'm very sorry. I've just directly taken over here. So purchase of machinery, not machinery, that is furniture is only 500 is the amount. Okay. Yes. All of you are clear, or any doubts in this you can ask. Illi enadru doubts idre kelri. No doubts? Shall I proceed further? Yes. Now we will go for funds flow statement. This you are doing for the first time. Okay. So same I am drawing here. If you want, as you already have ruled book, so no problem. So now here particulars amount I have written. Okay. Firstly, I am going for sources of funds. So first one, what I did, I have taken issue of share capital 20,000. Go to your problem first in accounts, notes to accounts. I told you equity shares 2017 it is 1 lakh. 2018 it is 1,20,000. So 20,000 is increased, that is issue of share. Next, share premium 10,000. It is directly given in reserves and surplus share premium. Next, what you will do? Next transaction is what? Debentures. Debentures notary enu irlilla. You have 26,000. So that I have taken. Next, what you will take here? What you will take? Funds from operations. Funds from operations. So that is 30,600. Understood this? That's all is our sources of funds. Next, we have application of funds. Purchase of machinery, you have 27,700. Okay, from where you got? In the previous, I told you calculation of fixed assets. Then purchase of land and buildings, 57,800. Purchase of furniture, 500. Matin tagotiri next. You will take increase in working capital. Decrease ittu andre il tagotidri. Now we have increase in working capital. So you are taking that increase in working capital. And this total is 86,600. This should be tallied. This is how you calculate your funds flow statement. Okay. Funds flow statement is very simple, but only a lengthy process. That's all. You have to be very, very careful while solving this problem. Being careful itself is very, very important. This is what is a funds flow statement. As you have seen, this is fixed assets accounts, and previous to that we have done funds from operations. Before that we did statement of changes in working capital. So this is how you do your, okay, so this is how you calculate the funds flow statement.